Hello friends, we are almost there. I can already feel the bad smell from volcanic gases. Some hikers who are walking here, I just spoke to them, they told you can come all the way to the lava, almost like a few meters. Very close you can come to the volcano. Yeah, you can feel the smell from the gases. Air pollution. Very special smell. So common around the volcanoes. Yeah, this road goes all around Volcanic, like the foothills of Volcanic. And there are some people who are hiking, not many. I think very soon I will launch my drone and film everything before it gets dark, because it's getting very late. So that is the gateway to hell, opening to hell, by which the souls of the damned people go to hell. Thousands of souls. We don't see them, but they are entering hell through that opening. You don't have to believe in it, but I believe in the existence of hell and paradise. And volcanoes are gateways to hell. Demons do drag souls of the damned people down there. There is one historical account, actually two, on occasion of that. So I'll come closer. I see some people there. I think from here it's maybe 2 kilometers. This is how it looks. Look at this road. Don't walk on the lava. That is not very smart. People are walking to the volcano across this rugged lava, which is not very good. Best to walk by the road along Storaskogfell. I think it's only 200 meters more for me, and I will be right next, like the closest point to the volcano. But already from here you can launch the drone. Like I did bike by this road to Little Router last summer, twice. I went by this road because Little Router, if you bypass this mountain, you come to Little Router, and the scientists use this road, and so I have been here. See, it's all burnt, guys. It's all Tephra here. From the volcano, you see it's Tephra. It's called Tephra. Those pieces are flying in the air from the volcano when it erupts. Some of them are very big. Yeah, there is some car there. Yeah, I don't think you can drive a car here because this is this road is closed at P1 parking. It's only that scientists can drive here. Or I don't know who are these people. You know, it's Iceland. Iceland is a bit wild. There are no regulations, so strict regulations here, like in other countries. It's a bit of Wild West here. It's a bit of chaos in Iceland. Well, there is a state, but things are not here so strictly regulated like in the Netherlands and Germany. You know, it's yeah. See, all vegetation's burned. those are tourists who drove a car here. I don't think so. Yeah, there you see the lava. You can come all the way to the lava. Wow. It's like entering a different realm with those smells and Tephra and burnt grass. There you see the lava. You can come close. Get here on the hill, launch the drone as soon as possible because it's getting dark. We need daylight. Burn here. No wind, no strong wind, so it's ideal time now to launch the drone. And you'll see everything from above in 4K resolution, because I always film in top quality. I have 2 batteries, actually 3. So we need to film this. Okay. Yeah. We're almost there. I regret I didn't come here on Monday. I was free on Monday. Wow, this is very big. Sometimes I'm lazy, I have to admit. And I need to correct myself. I think you can't walk any further, because it's lava already here. So, wow, such a smell. Now it's a burnt coal smell. Like they are burning fire, a bonfire. With a lot of wood. It's expanding. So we came to the lava. This is how close you can get. And there you see some people are walking. Get my drone ready now. So there you see the volcano erupting right now. You see the lava jets.